Yo, so you want to create this cool motion blur effect for your music video, fashion video, whatever video you're making, this is how to do it. So if you've got a camera that already shoots in 1/4 of a second shutter speed in video mode, then that's what you need to do. You can just go out, film whatever you want to film, and it will have all the motion blur effect. However, if you're like me and your camera doesn't allow you to go below 1/4 of a second shutter speed, I think it's like 1/20th of a second it can only go down to, then you need to swap to photo mode. Make sure you're in high speed continuous mode and set your shutter speed to 1/4 of a second. Then you can just hold down the trigger, fire away, and basically do the same thing what you would do in video mode. And then once you're in post, obviously import all your photos, set them all to one frame for each photo, put them all on your timeline, and then once you play through, it'll basically be like a video. If it doesn't work for you in live view mode, and it only works when you're viewing it through the viewfinder, then click this video up here and it will tell you how to change your settings so it works in live view mode. So if this video helped you, please give it a like. If there's anything you're still unsure of, leave it down in the comments below and I'll try my best to answer your question. And yeah, please subscribe for more awesome content.